Four seals leaking on the trailer, man. All I can say is, oh boy. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna let this camera speak turn around for y'all. Let y'all check it out. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything. Let y'all see everything that's going on, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna show you guys, what to clean off, what to put in the machine to clean the bearings and all that type of stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all see what I did, man. So you wanna also push your ABS sensor in, because once you put the hub on here, it pushes the sensor back. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure it's all cleaned up, which it is now, so it can read the tongues. And this is what causes your ABS light to come on your trailers or your trucks. So you want to make sure this is pushed all the way forward. Make sure all this is cleaned off. You also want to clean around your hub right here. You want all this nice and cleaned off. You also want to wipe this part of the hub off. Put a little oil on there. And as y'all can see, we also want to wipe down the hub itself. There go our old seal right there. We're gonna go get a new one. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how it's separated in pieces? Just like you can tell when it was bad. Inner, outer, in the back. So we're gonna wipe everything off. I got my bearings inside the cleaning machine, clean the bearings off, and we're gonna put everything back together, man. Let me go get my seal. And y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Let me show y'all something, man. So I was taught and learned how to do things a certain kind of way. So I'm not sure if you guys was paying attention all the way around here. All that debris and carbons and old brake dust and rust was built up around there. You definitely want to get that stuff cleaned all the way off. You also want to clean off, these are your tongues right here. So this is what the ABS sensor reads, these right here. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure they're nice and cleaned off. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure they're good, cleaned off. You want to make sure all around the seal itself is cleaned off. You want to make sure in between here where your bearing sits inside here, you want to make sure that's cleaned off. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people do certain things a certain kind of way. You know what I'm saying? I went to school for certain things and they showed me how to do it the correct way. You know what I'm saying? If I can't do it the correct way, I'm not going to do it at all. So you see I got it already prepped already. Now I can put my new bearing in there. I mean my used bearing. Because it's still good, we just clean them off, put a little oil in there around the bearings. We're going to sit the bearing back inside here. We're going to put the new seal on here. We're going to get the tool to put the seal back on, and we're going to install it back on the trailer, man. And then we're going to move on to the next, man. So y'all stay tuned, and let's get it. Our new seal. I'm saying I'm gonna get the tool so I can press that on there, man, and we're gonna get it installed back on the trailer. You see we got everything all cleaned off, everything ready to go. See we got our tool in there. Now you see why I cleaned all the debris off from the side, man. If you don't do that, it causes the seal to go on crooked. Sometimes it flares back up, sometimes it don't go on right, and sometimes it ruins the new seal. So we're gonna get our tool up out of there. So I can see how the tool is. It goes in there, sits on the inside the seal, and of course you hammer it down from there. And you guys see our seal is on there nice and flush. Our bearing is in there nice and flush. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna go around and make sure it's all seated right, which it is. And then we're gonna go ahead and install it back on the trailer. Let's get it. We're gonna install it back on the trailer too, man. So if y'all got any questions or anything like that, make sure y'all drop something in the comments, man. Share something with your boy. Let's get it. All right, y'all see how close the tongues is on the ABS sensor. Got everything cleaned off. We got our hub seal cleaned off here to put our cup on. And now we're gonna put the inner bearing in, and also with our locking nut and washer and everything, man. Then we're gonna put our cap back on. Make sure we screw that nice and tight on to here. You know what I'm saying? Don't y'all drop in the comments. Let me know what this goes to. What that's called that hooks up to the cap. Let me know what that is, man. Y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know. Let me know if y'all tuning in, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Better put this one all back together. By the way, too, I'm doing 2 wheel seals at a time. So this is the second one. Y'all already see I got everything cleaned off. I got the new seal already on this one. I just got to clean off my front plate and put my inner hub bearing in. put my inner bearing in, put my race on, put my second race on, put the cap on. We're going to have both done at the same time, and we're going to be filling up and lubing up both sides at the same time. And we're going to move to the next axle to get those two done at the same time. So we got two of them getting down at the same time. All right, y'all see on this particular situation, did anybody drop in the comments and tell me what these two little fill ports is right here? I'm going to tell you what this one is, but these two right here, somebody let me know what these two mean right here. The top and the bottom. And also right here, you guys see right here, let me clean that off because you want nothing to drop inside. And this is our fill hole for our fluid that goes in there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So y'all tap in, let me know about this. Like I said, man, interact with your boy, man. Let me know what these two ports are right here. Up and down, they're like on the bottom of each other. And this is our fill hole for our lube. So we're going to go here and get that oil up in there, man. Spin the hub around a couple times. And y'all see we need to be here, which sometimes is real hard to see. But as you're going in, you just got to watch it and you will see the oil coming up. And you gotta fill. You see the line where it says add, you want to be on that second line that says full, and you do not want to overfill this. Guys, I'm going to show y'all some bad brakes. They're also kind of bad from the lining itself. I'm not sure if you guys see all those little small cracks and all that right there. Now I'm going to show you guys a bad drum. You guys see all that, those little small cracks? That comes from heat. So you're gonna need a drum over here too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these brakes off right here, cause I gotta order 2 new drums. You know what I'm saying? So this is my third hub seal I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? This seal is also leaking and also needing brakes and the drum over on this side. So this probably gonna be my last side that I'm going to do. This is our third one. And we're going to need the drum over here. So all together we're going to need 2 drums, and I'm going to have to change the shoes over here and the shoes on that third axle right there, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. I told y'all before how I get these springs off. So I get in here. Let me wipe my hand on, son. Tool off. So of course you gotta watch out for the ABS wire right there. So what I do is I get the pry bar, and I pry it. You guys see that? And then see how that came out? Straight like that. Do the same thing to the back side right here. Guys, see that? Right? So now, look at this. See that? Kick them things all the way off. Stay like that. Y'all see what the time it is. But we are gonna, like I said, we gotta clean all this up. We're gonna have to tap these out, put our new ones in. And y'all stay tuned, let's get it. We got them new shoes on here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to that back axle real quick and change them shoes over there. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna change the hub over here. You know what I'm saying? Or I might go ahead and do the hub here first and then go back to that change those pads over there. those shoes over there. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and drain these, and we're gonna change the hub over here. Yes, sir. So y'all seen me getting it in, man. Don't forget to drop something in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to get your old boy shirts, man. Y'all DM me, we can get them to you, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's get it.